If you don't know how much trading capital you need, stay to the end of this video. If you do know how much trading capital you need, you should also stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you the equation to work out how much trading capital you actually need. So before I give you that equation, I'm going to run through my trading capital journey and where I started to where we currently are. So first of all, when I first started trading, I only put £500 into my first live trading account. After a little bit of time and understanding how to place trades correctly, I then added in another £500 to give me a total of £1,000 to trade with. I then set a goal that once I had made 50% or £500 on that trading account, I would then add in more personal capital to that account. So I finally did do the 50% or made the £500 on top of the £1,000 I had in my personal trading account. I then added in £8,500 on top to give me a trading account of £10,000, thinking this would be enough for me to generate enough income to stop my 9 to 5. But after trading a couple of months on the £10,000 and only making between 2 and 5% of that trading capital, I realised I needed a lot more. So that's when I dug into funded trading accounts and looked at purchasing my first 100k account. I did purchase a £100,000 trading account from FTMO, and as we all guessed, I failed that on the first attempt. Once I understood more about the trading capital and funded accounts themselves, I then purchased 2 more 100k funded accounts, which was passed by our AI trading strategy. So then we had a £10,000 account, 2 £100,000 accounts that were passed, and we then added in another 95,000 in trading capital to give me a total of just over 300k in trading capital I would trade every week. So that's a little short bit on my trading journey so far on the capital I have. But is £300,000 enough to be a full-time trader and trade that capital to make a good income? So let's break that down. On average, I look to make anywhere between 2 and 5% per month on the trading capital I have. But not every single month is going to be profitable. I look at an average, I'm a profitable trader on 9 out of the 12 months of the year. 2 of them will be losing months and 1 of them will be a break-even month, meaning we don't make any money on the trades I placed. But I like to look at it as a yearly return instead of a monthly goal. And that is, I want to make anywhere between 25 and 50% of the trading capital I have per year, and I only risk 1% on all trades I place. So with 300,000 in trading capital, and I'm aiming to make 25 to 50% of that capital, that means I will have a return of between 75,000 and 150,000 pounds every year. But there is something else to consider. Funded accounts take 10% of all the earnings you make on their accounts. Also, how long can you keep the funded account for? Because there is rules and boundaries you must obey. And then also the dreaded one, not unless you live in Dubai, is the taxes that you're going to have to pay on the money you earn. So now that we understand having 300,000 in trading capital doesn't bring that much in, considering you need to pay taxes, you need to reback invest to your trading itself, and you've got to live. Let's work out how much trading capital you actually need. And this is my equation you can see in front. This is the Limitless Trading Club trading capital equation. And first of all, we've then got the returns made per the 12 months. So for me, if I fill this out as we go, my 12 month return, let's say on the lower end, is 25%. That's what we're gonna be going over. Then we need to work out how much I want to have as a take home in my bank to live the lifestyle I want. So for me, I'm going to go in at £10,000 because I believe that should be equivalent for what I'm after. Or if we look at that in a yearly turn, it's going to be 120k over the whole year itself. So now we need to then work these maths out in my equation. Is we're going to then do returns divided by 100. So we're going to make 25% per year of the trading capital we got. So we've got 100 grand, we're going to make 25k on top of that. So now we're looking at dividing 25 by 100, which will then give us a total of 4, because obviously 25 goes into 100 4 times. So we're going to add that into is number 4. You might be thinking, well, what does this do? Then what we have to do is the yearly earnings we want, which was 120,000. We then have to times that by the number that we got. So that's 4. So your trading strategy might be different. You might make 15% a year. You might make 40% a year. You might make 80% a year. Whatever your trading strategy has made in the last 12 months is what the percentage you're going to put in, and that then is going to give you the returns and the equation we need. So we're then going to do our yearly earnings, so 120,000 times that by 4, which then will give us total trading capital we need is going to be 400,000 in trading capital. So you're thinking, right, okay, that's cool. We've worked it out. The equation has done its job. And I now, as a trader, need £500,000 in trading capital. That's personal, funded, wherever you get that trading capital, that's what you're needing. And that's going to give you the £10,000 a month you want from the returns you can make from your strategies. But there's something you have forgot about, and I know you forgot about it because I said it about 4 minutes ago, and you've already forgotten about it. And that is the other things need to be going out of the capital you have earned from. And that is going to be, number 1, taxes. You need to pay capital gains tax on the money you pull out from your trading account into your bank account. You're then going to have how long you can keep the funded accounts you've got for, and the new challenges you're going to have to purchase, and then also reinvesting back into your trading, your education, running the systems you use daily. You're going to need to pay from them from somewhere to keep your account as where it is, or to scale that account to bigger. Because at some point over a 12-month period, if you've got 5 £100,000 funded accounts, you're probably going to lose one of them if you've not put the correct details in, if the account's gone under, if the prop firm's gone under. So you need to then still reinvest to keep that where it is. So what we then do is our second part of the equation, so number 2, is then down the bottom here, we then just times it by 2. It's as simple as the equation works out, we need to times it by 2. So for someone that wants to make 10 grand a month personally to themselves, and then pay their taxes, have money to reinvest back into their trading, buy more funded accounts, and scale as a trader, you're going to then need to times your total traded capital by 2, meaning we are going to need around £1 million in trading capital from different prop firms. That is very, very key. Different prop firms. Do not go out and buy a £400,000 challenge. Do not do that. Buy 50 or £100,000 challenges from different prop firms, so you're diversifying from each company, and that's how you then don't lose all your trading capital when one of the prop firms go down. If you've got £1 million in funded trading capital, which is what this person or trader would need to live a comfortable lifestyle as a trader, be free, have money to spend, money to invest, buy new equipment, whatever you need to do, this is for end and be all for a full-time trader wanting to bring in 10 grand a month. You're going to need to invest and get £1 million worth of capital. If you want to watch more trading content, head over to the Limitless Trading Club YouTube channel, where we upload a new video every Monday.